Cocoa Beach is not very dog friendly. We were told to come down here to 11th Street and we can take our dogs on there. This sign here says entering the dog friendly beach. We didn't notice it said 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. was the only time it's dog friendly. So we went ahead and went on. It was about 11 a.m. at this time. We were able to go down there and have some fun. Flex got to go play in the water. I got to fly my drone. But within an hour, the dog police came and asked us to leave the beach or it would be a $100 fine.
Go get in the water. Salty.
Cocoa Beach Pier is also not dog friendly, but luckily it was cool enough that day. We left Flex in the motorhome in the parking lot, and we were able to go up there and have lunch with my son Blake and my daughter Summer, who live in Kissimmee, Florida. And we had a great time, and beautiful place. Just wish they were a little more dog friendly.
Heavy heart.